Okay, so I'm going to give you a very quick little demo on how to insert an instrument into our medium-sized card. So first, basically, you just fold the expandable base up, just kind of fold it the scores right here. You know, actually like to do it on a table because it's super easy that way. It's very fast. But anyway, you just kind of fold that flap up first. Then you take your instrument and you will insert it through the top hat and through the bottom top hat. And then I like to turn it that way so that the points are facing against the card itself. And that way you don't need rubber tip or plastic tip protectors. Okay, so just insert it in there like that. You don't have to have it final or positioned perfectly initially, but then go in and you have these little flaps here that it's hard to do this facing your way, but and then you insert the flaps there, and it's already in really well. So then you want to separate the hinged arms. So you separate it that way, and you push the little tongue through here, okay, and then insert the tongue. If I can do this, it's hard to do it. It's easier to do it facing myself. And then that tongue keeps the arms from closing, okay? But look at that, it's on really good, way better than the 3M's Comply product. And then you got this finger to pull it out of the peel pouch, once it's sterilized. That's it.